Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the panel of your Thermomix TM31. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at your disposal: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the repair. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the 4 screws located on the back panel of the device. Carefully set these screws aside, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious, as there are wires connected to the control panel. If you're unsure about handling electrical components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assist you in assessing the situation. Now, locate the control panel. You'll see additional screws securing it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws. Make sure to keep track of them, as we'll need them to secure the new panel. After removing the screws, gently detach the control panel from its housing. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the internal area with a soft cloth. This will not only ensure better functionality but also prolong the lifespan of your Thermomix. If you notice any dirt or buildup, clean it thoroughly. Remember, if you don't have the tools or time for this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process convenient for you. Now, take your new control panel and align it with the housing. Once it's in place, secure it with the screws you previously removed. If you're unsure about the installation, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team can guide you through the process. Next, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and securing it with the 4 screws. Ensure that everything is tight and secure to avoid any issues during operation. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back in and test the new panel to ensure that it's functioning correctly. Check all buttons and settings to confirm that everything works as intended. If there are any issues, remember that with us, there are no calls, no travel. Our service is designed to be as straightforward as possible. With these steps completed, you've successfully replaced the panel on your Thermomix TM31. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.